Hi guys, I think you're bored sitting at home and wanting to do something fun. So I came up with an idea to do some craft work with a paper. My first thing is a party popper. So this is how it looks. Let's make one. All you need is a paper. So take a rectangle sheet paper and fold it inwards like an inch. Then turn it and fold it to the same length. Check if the length matches. Then flip it and fold it again to the same length and breadth. You can include this until you get like this much space, and then fold it backwards. And fold it into middle half. And then to use this, grab the corner of this and pull it slowly until you get a hole of this, like with little edge, so that you can catch it. Hold it tight and then with full energy just do it like this. I wanna have a battle. Come on, Gagan. Okay, let's see who will pop more louder.
In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I think it's same. Let's do it one more time.
Yeah.
And after popping, you need to fold it again and take it back. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I think mine is louder. Yeah.
Aw, but good job.
Thank you.
Hi guys. My brother did party popper, so now I'm gonna do a fan with no electricity. Let's go. Just fold it an equal way. Then do the same thing to the other side, same equal distance. And then repeat the steps till the end. Okay, now open this and fold this like this. See, your without electricity fan is ready. I made a normal fan. If you want it bigger, you could add another one. I'll show you how to make another fan just like how I did before. like this and turn it. Keep it inside this, inside the last one, and then press hard, fold it, and then staple it. See, now it's a bigger one. And you get more air. Try these crafts out and let me know what you think about these crafts in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Stylish Jitin.